Hello guys, once again welcome back to my YouTube channel Crypto Daily. So as I promised to provide a daily quiz for XENEA Wallet, here today we are going to answer together with you guys. So here is the interface of XENEA Wallet. So we are going to answer it together with you. So let's click on our daily points. Great job, we have getting 114 points. So let's scroll down for the daily quiz. So let's click on here. Start quiz. So today's question here is, why is token lockup necessary to prevent a sharp decline in token prices? So here is the reason, which is number 2, which is B. Submit. So congratulations, we have clicked on the correct answer. So here it is. And then again, don't forget to come for this section, which is 4. So it has a daily point, like a daily check. So it used to increase your point as simple as you know. So if this is your first time to across my YouTube channel, kindly click the subscribe button, click the notification bell so that you will be notified whenever I upload a video. Thank you.